The secret to a stronger core isn't endless crunches. It's consistency. And the best workout is the one you'll actually do. Join me for a yoga session that's fun, effective, and accessible. And best of all, you can do it right in your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a lateral stretch. Reach your arms overhead. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Begin to alternate stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your side body. Release and return to center, moving into a seated knee raise march. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Begin to alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, release your clasp and place your hands together in prayer position. Continue with this movement, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue rotating from right to left, drawing opposite elbow to knee, keeping your spine long, maintaining your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center, moving into a knee tuck variation. Place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight, and on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Continue with this movement, using your core to stabilize, resting when you need to. Pausing and upright, maintain your arms and step your feet back to center. Adding a twist, inhale, lengthen your spine, exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated knee raise march. Raise your hands out in front of your chest to hover. Alternate lifting from right to left, working to lift your knees to touch your hands if possible. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, tap your hands together under each leg. Continue here or adding on. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, adding a toe touch, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center. Moving into a reverse plank position variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, opening across your front body. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, gently pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.